How to use Binance Dual Investment quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with dual investment on Binance. So let's get into it. Now, dual investment on Binance is a very simple way that you can earn money. It gives you the opportunity to buy and sell crypto at your price and date in the future. So this is kind of similar to futures trading. However, you're going to predict a price in the future and choose to buy or sell at that price in the future at that time. And this will usually yield you with high yields, and no matter what direction the market is going to go in. Plus, in terms of the benefits, you have the buying low or selling high, so you can buy crypto at a lower price and sell it at a higher price like normal grid trading. Then you also have high interest yield, such as high passive income. And then you have wide selection and no trading fees. Now, to get started with Binance Dual Investment, you need to have a Binance account. And on your Binance account, you need to make sure that your account has identity verification. So if you go onto your account, go into identification, you need to make sure your ID is verified. If you're not verified, you will not be able to get started with any kind of trading on Binance. So just get your identity verified on Binance to get started. Now you can go into the Earn section of Binance and click on Dual Investment. Once you click on Dual Investment over here, you need to understand that Dual Investment also has risks. Now, first up, you need to choose a asset. Now, this is going to be the asset that you currently possess. Let's say we want to do it with Ethereum. And once you choose Ethereum, you can choose a specific target price at a specific date. So you can choose whether or not you want to sell high, buy the low, or buy the low like this with deposited BUSD or deposited USDT. So let's say I want to sell the high and I want to do it with Ethereum, and currently the price is at 1328. And let's say the date today is 21 September and I want to predict on the 27th or maybe on the 30th. So on the 30th, let's say I expect the price to go up to 1350, or maybe I expect the price to go up to 1700. So I'm going to click on subscribe over here, and now you can enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to bet. So let's say that I want to buy 1 Ethereum. So you can see over here, the current price is at 1329. This is the price that I expect to receive. And you can go on ahead and take a look at the interest that you will get. So it is 8.79 APR. That is the estimated interest. Now, if you expect it to remain below 1700, then you will not receive that much. You will be getting the same amount of Ethereum that you initially put in. So the minimum amount of Ethereum that you have to invest is 0.0001, and maximum is 3000 Ethereum per subscription, and you can create multiple subscriptions. So that is how you do dual investments on Ethereum. And you even have a simple return calculator at the bottom. So this return calculator is a simple way for you to be able to understand how your investment is going to pan out. And let's say I want to take a look at a smaller asset. So let's say I want to go on ahead and trade DOT. So Polkadot is a popular token, and you can see the current price is at 6.27. And you can see that I want to maybe buy the low on DOT, and I can go on ahead and take a look at the settlement dates. I want to go with the 30th of this month, and now you can see there are only 3 offers. So I have to go on ahead and I can click on subscribe over here. And now you can see the current price is at 6.27, and you can enter the amount, the subscription amount. So the amount of USDT that you want to spend on purchasing DOT. Let's say I want to purchase $100 worth of DOT. So you're just going to enter that amount that you want to use to purchase the DOT, however much money's worth of DOT that you want to purchase. And it will show you in this simple graph that if the price remains above 5.50, you can see over here that you will get a 13% interest in APR. So this is the current price, which is at 6.27, and if it goes at or below 5.5, you will receive a 13.58 interest, and you will get a lot more in terms of profit. Now, if you see over here, you have multiple different tokens available, and you also have a beginner's mode. So you can turn on beginner's mode just to see a simplified version. And if you turn off beginner's mode, you can see the detailed version and choose the specific kind of settlement you want. Let's take another example. Let's say I want to go with Algo, and the Algo token is a very small token. It's currently at 0.31, and I expect to that the price of Algo will jump up in the next couple of months. So maybe on the 10th month, on the 7th of October, I expect the price of Algo to go up to 0.39, and I can click on subscribe over here, and now I can enter the amount of Algo that I want to purchase. So let's say if I go on ahead and enter 1000 Algo, then you can see the interest that you have. So if I buy 1000 Algo right now, it's going to show me the current price and the receiving price that I would get. So this is how simple and easy it is for you to get started with dual investments on the Binance platform. Now you can see in terms of receiving, you don't actually receive the token that you are betting. You receive BUSD or whatever is the token pair that you have selected. You can choose to get USDT or BUSD, that is up to you. But you can see that if I currently buy 1000 Algo, which would be at 0.31, so just to whip out a calculator. So current price of Algo is 0.31, and if I buy 1000 Algo right now, it would cost me around $310. However, if the price goes up to what I expected, I would be earning around 390 BUSD, so 391 BUSD. And if we take a look at our calculator, that is a profit of around $90 or $80. And depending on how much you bet or the larger or the variable of the token, you can earn more or less money with this simple dual investment technique. Now, you also need to understand that there is a low risk and high reward. However, depreciation of crypto is also a very possible item. And if you are not, if you go on ahead and let's say that you select a crypto token, let's say I expect BTC, and I think it's going to go on ahead and the price will increase, and I subscribe to this offer over here, and the price does not increase. So if it does not increase, then I will not be getting any money whatsoever. So you can see over here that the interest will not be worth it at all if it remains below the current price. So if there is no price change, and if the price change that you predicted goes to the opposition, so if it's not the price change that you predicted, you would still not be making any money. So it is a rather simple way to earn money with Binance. It's different than futures trading or spot trading, and it's a lot simpler for beginners to get started with as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.